Hey guys, welcome to Lake Stevens Auto Detailing. Today we've got this 2014 Ford F-150 that we're going to be doing an interior only detail on. Now I always do a walk around on the exterior just to check for any pre-existing damages. Don't want to get blamed for anything that might have already been there. So I do a video walk around, usually take before and after pictures just so I kind of cover my bases. I haven't had anybody claim that I damaged their vehicle, but it's probably only a matter of time before that happens. So if you've got video and photographic evidence, it's always good to have, especially after you clean a vehicle. Sometimes things pop up that they couldn't see when it was dirty, so just having some of that stuff on your side can help out. This truck was pretty filthy. I think I'd rate it probably like an 8 out of 10 on the nasty scale. There's dog hair all over the place, kind of a thick layer of dust and grime and different spills and stuff. So this thing hasn't really been taken care of very well. We're gonna have our work ahead of ourselves, especially getting all this dog hair out. It's just kind of stuck in every little corner and crevice. It is a longer dog hair, but just the amount of dog hair, it's gonna make a lot of work for us. So I've got an interesting day ahead of myself. As you can see, there's just kind of dirt and debris and stuff like that as well. And the door panels are kind of dirty and stuff. I mean, just the whole vehicle's a bit on the dirty side, so we got a little ways to go before this thing's looking new again. But we'll do the best we can and get this thing looking real nice and shiny. Kind of curious, leave a comment down below if you guys ever let your car get this dirty. If so, why? Did life just kind of get in the way, or are you just too busy to be able to get your car cleaned up, or you have some sort of health disability that doesn't allow you to get in there and scrub away like the car needs. But yeah, this thing was pretty dirty, so I'm curious, what's the dirtiest car you've seen? Have you seen a dirtier one in person? And if so, let me know in the comments below, guys. This thing's pretty filthy. Now that I'm done showing the before, I'm gonna get the all-weather mats, just a quick vacuum to get any of the loose sand and hair and stuff get off that. Normally if I pressure wash, I don't even bother. I'll just pull the all-weather mats and I'll just pressure wash them. But rain was in the forecast and possible thunderstorm, so I was gonna clean the mats outside or in the shop depending, so I wasn't going to set up the pressure washer. These things didn't necessarily need it. I'll just spray down some chemicals, drill brush it, and then blow it off and wipe it clean, so that'll do the trick. So that's why I'm kind of vacuuming here, and then y'all yank those out. As for the carpet and stuff, there's so much dog hair and stuff, I'm just going to try and blow loose what I can with the tornador. My shop air compressor is a 20-gallon, 1.6 horsepower. Puts off like 4 CFM, I believe 4.1 CFM. So the tornador, you're supposed to have 5. CFM output for optimal results, but this works pretty decent. It's got a 20-gallon tank, so that's pretty good for the air reserve capacity. But as for the output and the flow and stuff, could use a little more. This video was taken a couple months ago, so it's a little bit on the older side. I had since got a rigid 4.5 gallon air compressor, and that puts out 5 CFM at 40 psi and 90 psi, so that works pretty good. It keeps up with the Tornador, and it's a lot more portable than 20 gallon, so that's what I'm using now instead of my little Boss Stitch pancake air compressor. The rigid air compressor, it's a bit heavier. I think it's around 70 pounds, and the Boss Stitch was only about 30. So there's a difference in the weight and stuff, but just use both hands when I'm carrying it around and stuff, and leave it in one spot. I've got a 50-foot air hose that I can use, and then I've got a kind of coiled up coil one that's like 20-25 foot, so depending where the air compressor is set up and where it's plugged in and stuff, I've got plenty of air line to reach the vehicle, and that way I don't have to move the air compressor around. But you can see there's just a ridiculous amount of dog hair in this truck, so it's going to take me quite a few hours to get this knocked out. But I'm just trying to blow out all the loose debris, dog hair and stuff. I've got all the doors open just to kind of blow it out as much as I can, and then we will go through with the vacuum and get this thing all dialed in, squared away. We'll use the drill brush. Probably have to do a couple rounds of vacuuming, drill brushing, and Tornador just to get all that stuck dog hair and stuff off of the truck, the carpet and everything on there. It's a bit of a mess right now, so we'll have to do a few rounds of vacuuming and things to get this thing all dialed in here.